Hello guys.
Here, let's try.
How you doing?
So this is how you play.
How do you
I'm
play? How do you
back
play?
and I'm playing this.
Oh,
wait,
so
I'm in the wrong server.
you
I'm gonna
make
join
an
my
automatic
my friend's
factory, and
server.
then you have a cell looking
As
there
you can
going
see,
into
you
the
can hear
cell
my
room, and then you
friends.
have there's tea pressers, a stone mine,
Okay.
and you have all those and then you have all those.
Oh yes, our friend is back.
Okay, so what do we do right now?
I don't know. That's Jade. Explain it to us. How do we even get stuff then?
Okay, okay, so I'm going to start mining blocks.
Oh yeah, there's stone. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, I get how this works now.
This is nice.
How do I get it? Oh, this is. Oh no, I get how it works now. You just get the stone.
I'm gonna save up for a cutter.
I'm gonna try and get something at least.
So like, what?
So but you have to make like a conveyor belt thing.
I'm gonna save up for a cutter. I might not be getting one.
I have 10 stone and I don't know what it does. Why is there this?
Oh yeah, you sell them.
Would I put it inside here or something?
I just place it on the conveyor.
Oh, 10 rock. Okay. Oh wait, I placed it on the conveyor.
What's
Yeah,
that?
I'm gonna try to see how does this even work? How do you place it on a conveyor?
It's not on the conveyor.
Like the stuff.
Oh, you just select the cube and then you drop it.
Oh, and then how does it go into the conveyor?
What do you mean?
Like it's not going into the conveyor at all.
You just walk on top of the conveyor, then you click on the cube thing.
Guys, how do you delete stuff?
I don't
It's
know.
not working.
Guys, I'm
Oh,
gonna
wait.
be back.
Try to play.
I am done with the allotment.
Wait, no, I need help. I need help. I don't know how to get money.
No, I just went on top. What do you mean?
Like, how do you like get money?
So.
Sell stuff.
How do you sell it?
Oh wait, I saw it. There's a thing that's called delete.
Small block. What does that do? What does a small block do?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's probably a building tool.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so how do you play?
I don't already know.
Tutorial or something.
No, how did you get money?
By selling wood and stone.
How? How do you sell
You
wood?
literally place the cell pad.
I did place the cell pad. What do you do with that?
You place something on the cell pad.
How do you place something
On the cell pad.
How do I?
You place-
Oh wait. Oh, I know. You
place
click.
cubes on the cell pad?
Cubes, not noobs.
Okay.
Cubes? Like those weird box things?
Oh wait, I know how to get money.
When you collect stuff.
Okay, Isaac. No wait.
Yeah?
BB. So.
You have a recording, right?
That is
Okay, I'm guessing that somehow.
BB.
works.
I know how to get the money. I know how to do
how
stuff.
this works. I think I know how this works now. Let me just try this.
I know how to do it now. I know how to do it now.
Oh, I know how to do it now. I know how to do it now. I think. Wait, no, never mind. How do you do it?
So did you mine things?
Yeah?
Did you look on your back?
Yeah?
And does it say like this number?
Yeah.
How much do you have?
10. And I placed it all in this weird box thing.
Oh no, take it all out. Don't take it all out.
Okay. Wait, this might actually work.
Yes, I got a stone farm.
Okay, how does it work? And then what do you do?
Did you take did you take all of it out?
Yes.
So now put your back onto the conveyor
Uh-huh.
And now click the box. Click the mini box. And it'll drop it and then it'll go.
That's like a free part.
Did it work?
Put my back onto the conveyor?
No, click the box on your back.
Yeah, click it.
And it dropped, right?
Yeah, okay.
And then
So
go-
drop it onto the conveyor?
Yeah, and then it'll go into the cell thing and blah, blah, blah. And then, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so can
Where's
I
the
just
shop?
drop
Where's the
grab
shop?
it?
Where's the shop?
Why don't I just drop it in the cell pad then?
You can.
Okay, I need more money.
Yes. My
Okay, this
farm
is actually working.
Dude, my factory's coming very nicely.
Why
Except I
is
don't
bu-
know how to get the rocks out, like, you know how you, like
where's the
I
shop?
want to make an AFK farm or something like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because you need to do your quest to get a stone mine and also I got a tree farm.
Where?
Mine has
How?
rocks.
How?
Oh, okay.
How'd you get it?
I know how to do this now. Okay, I'm starting to get better at this game.
How'd you get it?
Okay, I know how to do it now.
Where's the shop?
I don't know, there is no shop. It's literally just press V.
Oh, V? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
This is taking way too long. I'm just gonna mine the rocks myself.
What does a small block do? A small block wants to do, okay.
I'm just gonna mine as much as I freaking can.
Ladders, so we can
Let's go. Get a lot of. Why can't I sprint? Okay, so I'm just gonna get a lot of this, just like
I'm getting
that.
a lot of money from my farm.
Oh wait, I got a stone mine.
Just like
Yeah, I
that.
got some quest.
Oh yeah, I got a stone mine, okay.
Where do I put it? What do I do with it?
I don't know.
Oh, come over to my plot and you'll see.
Oh, I think I know how to do it. I think I know how to do this now. You place this stone mine, on
And then
the
you have the
conveyor.
conveyor at the little exit part, and then you have the conveyor go to the cell pad, and that's how you AFK.
Wait, what? Wait,
Okay,
what?
let me try this. Get rid of that.
Just come over and look at my area and you'll understand.
Okay, but
Let me just try and drop all this. Oh yay, okay, I got $150. I'm just gonna delete this.
where's your area?
Do that. Well, okay, now I got this. I'm trying to see what this does.
Okay, well I'm gonna use my car.
5. Okay, I don't think I need. No, I don't want this. No. Yay. Okay, I got $50. Okay, let me set up my AFK grinder.
I see you, but I see you. See? Hi.
Let me try and set up the thing.
Jade, where are you? Noob, where are you?
Oh, I'm at my plot.
But where is your plot?
No idea.
Do you see any of us?
No.
This is so confusing making this. Making this AFK thing is so freaking hard.
I'm at the left. I'm at the bottom left.
Okay, let me try and find you.
I'm at the bottom left, and I'm in the direction of where the bottom stairs are going. Like the little area there.
Wait, let me just try to do this on my own. Hopefully I can do this.
I see you. I see someone. Yeah, I see you guys.
Can you help me?
I don't know how to use the stuff.
I'm guessing this is how it works. Or not? I don't know, maybe. Oh yes, it's working. Okay, I got this down.
Oh, okay, I know how to use it too.
I'm gonna see what for a press.
the hell? My curse is broken. Okay.
Dude, I'm getting more money because of a cutter.
I'm gonna stop right there and I'll be back. B. Okay guys, let's just AFK for a little bit and see what happens.
Okay, time to do that. Okay, now time to put another thing. Okay, well, I'm doing pretty well.
Ooh, I'm gonna save up for us so I get more money from my wood.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy 5 of those and a cell zone. So, okay, now let's do it. Now we did that. Did that. Now do we put the tree farm? Okay, so we got a tree farm and
Guys, let's see how much money we got. We could have just get back in and really need to see it.
Do item storage.
I don't already know, but
Let's just see what we can do now.
Okay, time to harvest.
Okay, so we got our cell thing. Our stone's coming along really nicely. Oh my god. I'm tired. Okay, let's see what we got. What should we do now? Okay, let's see here. We've got some. Let's just go this way.
Okay,
We're
we're mining trees right now. My friend is right over there. You can see him.
I'm hoping I don't die, so
I'm
just gonna head this way.
We're just doing our own things, but I am just cutting down trees right now because I need to do a quest.
I'm recording now.
What the heck?
I'm just gonna keep on going. I'm just
Okay,
gonna
we're
go down.
gonna keep going.
Where am I even going? I'm just gonna reset.
Okay, we're doing pretty good right now.
There we go. Now where are we? Oh yeah, we're back here. Let's see.
I'm
Tire
mining a
one
lot of
harvest.
trees right now.
What is that? Tire one harvest. What is that supposed to do? Oh, large truck. Oh, you can go. Oh, that's how it works. Oh, okay. Okay, I got it. Supposed to do that, and then I'll give you more stuff.
I mine a lot of trees right now.
What's money about?
I'm right now doing the
1% deal.
Go like that, go like that, go like that.
Oh, Steve.
I think I'm going way too
Oh, our
far,
thing is
but
going. Why is the stone still there? Shouldn't it be gone? I guess these physics don't work, am I right?
okay.
You use a flippin' this thing to mine. What is this? Like, literally. Who uses this to mine?
Yes, we did it. We did the quest.
That'd be
Okay,
so
we're gonna
weird.
reset.
Okay, we need more conveyors. Let's see what
We're
we
back
can
to
do.
our plots. Oh, that's nice.
How? Yeah. It doesn't work, okay. What are these, like, buttons? You see the buttons down there?
Okay, now we need to get...
Like, some of them are, like, kind of broken. I don't know why I still have that open. Let's see how much it is for another plot. What? 750K? Oh my god. Let's see, we have $700. What? Yeah, we're pretty stacked, okay? See how this works. Okay, my first time mouse.
Okay. Oh, shoot.